even when we're very young, you have ideas in your head that this is how you want your own little space in the house to be. So this is my spot in the house. I was always very fascinated by the color lime green. So I wanted to have a little component of that here. And then the way I got my room set up was that I have three things that I do a lot. So for me, music is everything. So you can see that here. I play the guitar, and then I've tried learning the keyboard. I've tried learning the flute. I'm still learning the ukulele. And I do a lot of things around music. So this is my spot. We got the acoustic paneling done. So I try to record some vocals as well. So it comes out very nicely. This is my, I like to read a lot. So you'll find books around here, and then everything is kind of divided into what I like to read. So I'm from Dehradun. So for me, this is my little corner of Ruskin Bond, my favorite author, and he's been with me since I was very young, and I wanted to keep that little small bit with me when I'm here as well. Big fan of Harry Potter. It doesn't show here, but I have a lot more in my hometown in Dehradun. And this is now my workstation. I have a couple of setup done. Everything is sorted out. We got a lacquered glass here for every notes that I want to keep up here, and wanted to put in information that I want to do while I'm working. And then this is the back side of it, because I wanted to have a little space for my personal gaming space. So I've hooked up a PlayStation 4, and I play little games here. I play some games outside in the hall. And there's one more thing I want to say. So we are basically from Kashmir, Srinagar, and we shifted, and we have been living in Dehradun since I was born, but Srinagar is part of my heart. And I want to show you one last thing before you go. So come. We went to Kashmir last year. Finally got a chance to see my own home place, and where my parents were born and they grew up. And we went to a place called Hari Parvat. So this is a chinar ka patta that we picked up from there, and this is a maple leaf in Canada, and you find it only in Kashmir and Canada. We picked it up from there, and I wanted to bring a little small piece of Kashmir with me wherever I go, and this is how I want to keep my legacy going. So yeah.